Let me know. Am I clearly audible and the screen is visible? So just give me a second, guys. I am also opening the live on my end so that I can watch. Am I clearly audible or not? So please let me know in the chat, guys. Am I clearly audible and the screen is visible? And if you give the confirmation, we will start the session and we will discuss a lot of topics, how to prepare and what is the actually the placement blueprint for the next upcoming year. So let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes, guys, so that notification will go to the all our subscribers and they can also join the session. Guys, please let me know in the chat. Am I clearly audible and the screen is visible? So if you tell me quickly in the chat so that I can start our session. Okay, mic is also sorted. Okay, so people are saying I am audible and clearly visible. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss about the most important thing. We have only last 1 month for our placement preparation. So 2026 is going to be very good opportunities for a lot of freshers. For example, if you are already seen for the 2025 students and 2026 students, on campus is going a lot. For example, Infosys on campus is happening. Cognizant in on campus is happening. Capgemini, TCS, uh, Tech Mahindra, Infosys. These all on campus are across the India already started. And when coming to the off campus for the 2025 batch students, Cognizant is hiring off campus for November and December. Even still the date is there till December 5th. 2025 students can also apply. Till this 1st December 2026 on campus colleges also can apply. So the hiring chance are getting increasing, and this is a positive note that the off campus for 2026 will start. And also I would like to say this, if you see the previous year trends, guys, actually if you carefully observe during the COVID or after the post COVID or second wave completed, if you see those 3 years, the hiring cycle is different. The hiring cycle is different. And before that, you guys don't know about the placement hirings and patterns, right? But I was in the business for the last 10 years. I know what are how the placements are going on every year, how they're changing and everything. So before COVID, actually, whatever the hiring cycle was there, again, now they are following the same hiring cycle. Why? Because during these 3 years of COVID, during first wave, second wave, and all, a lot of hirings has happened in a randomized times. Now the hiring is become in a regularized manner, which means every year on campuses will happen in October, November, and December months. And every year off campus usually will happen. TCS started their hiring in Feb last year, and Cognizant is also started last year Feb. Every year they're starting their hiring off campus on off campus in Feb, March, April, or if May send the offer letters and everything, May, till May it will happen. So the upcoming next 4 months is very crucial. Only you have a 2 months of time, that is December and January. And a lot of people are things like that. Once the new year started, I will start preparing for the on campus and all. Guys, don't do these type of things, okay? So whenever you have a time, start as today, day one. Don't ever try to start after, like, let's start 2026. From the first day onwards, I will start doing hard work for my placements. It is not a good decision, guys. Why? Because I will tell you, new year motivation, nothing will work for your change. You need to change yourself today. So that's why I am giving you the planner for this December and January. Please change yourself in the December, so that in January you will be a confident person, so that you can easily get placed in February, March, April. So whoever will skip the December, who will skip the hard work in December, who will skip the placement preparation in December, they will definitely struggle for their placements. Especially I'm talking about 2026 pass out batches. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask your seniors of 2025 batch students. If you skip that, definitely you will regret in May. So December is the crucial month. Take advantage of it. Everyone will think like, I will start at 2026 January, day 1. But think differently, start today, so that after 1 month you will be 1 month ahead of the remaining all people, so that you are in advanced stage, so that you can easily get selected for the placements. This is our today's plan. And if you are from third year or final year students, this will adopt to you. And this video is all of you further. Whatever the hiring process I am going to tell you is, it will never change for next 3 to 4 years. Why? Because until if you don't have any another corona session. Okay. So second year or third year or final year students, this roadmap you can follow. So for the product based companies like MAG, FinTech, SaaS companies or startups, and service companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, Cognizant, you are preparing everything. This is the video I would like to share with you guys. And here is the thing what we are going to discuss in this session. First, I will tell you. I will tell you 2026 hiring trend breakdown. So how they will hire you in the 2026. And next I will tell you not 30 days roadmap, I can say 60 days roadmap nearly, which is nothing but January and this December together you have to prepare. So don't think like you will prepare in Jan. You are preparing with December. Okay. Next, aptitude preparation strategy I will tell you, and what is the coding and DSA preparation strategies, and resume making and interview preparation tips. At last, we will have a Q&A session. Okay. Yeah, someone is asking. I am preparing for Azure Cloud Computing Certificate age at 900. Okay, Vishal, what is your doubt? You can ask me. And also, this is a placement season, guys. Off campus and on campus hirings we are posting in all our Instagram, Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram channels. Please follow our corresponding YouTube channel, social media handles, so that you will never miss any opportunity. So let's start immediately without any further delay. So when coming to the 2026 hiring trends, guys, I have we will discuss in a categorized manner, right? Why? Because for the universities or tier 1, tier 2 colleges, mostly product based companies will come. Even product based companies will come, they will never ask for upskilling courses. Am I right or not? Will they directly ask whether you are having upskilling courses like cloud computing, whether you learn data analytics or not? Like that, they won't ask, right? For the fresher, I am saying, okay, again, for any fresher, they will see how much he or she strong in DSA. If you know DSA, then only this upskilling is a add on for you. If you don't have DSA skills, whatever the skills you learn in upskilling, for example, sir, I know data analytics, I know data science, I am a data scientist, I know all Gen AI courses I have already completed, and I have completed machine learning, cybersecurity, whatever, everything I learned. For software companies, it doesn't matter. Why? Because for the freshers, they need to have a good problem solving ability first. Upskilling is a like thing that people will think like upskilling courses are you are along with the trend. That's it. This will tell you he is along with the trend. That's it. This will help you while interviewing. Okay. But in order to reach towards the interview, first you need to good at DSA skills. If you are not good at DSA skills, and how many courses you completed, it doesn't matter, it won't give you good output. So please learn DSA first, then focus on the remaining upskilling courses. Next, when coming to the service based companies, now recently service based companies are focusing on communication and coding basics. Guys, if you observed or not, Accenture, Cognizant, Capgemini, Infosys, and TCS, these type of a lot of companies, if you observe, they are changing their pattern and they're changing it to the communication round individually. Am I right or not? So, service based companies are now looking into the people who are more expressive and communicative. So please take care of your communication skills, and who improved it, they will definitely be in the service based companies. If you fumble with a little bit technical knowledge, also the people who will communicate more effectively, they will get selected. And when coming to the coding basics, you need to have for sure. And you need to have a good problem solving ability, not memorization. And also, if you observe from the last year to this year, 10% cutoff got increased. For example, last year, out of 30 questions, if the cutoff is like 20, 21 questions, now it is increased to 23, 24. Okay, so when compared to the last year, this year cutoff is got increased. So please take care of that. Okay. Next, for product based companies, what is the best thing I need to have a good? What are the things I need to take care? For example, if you are from tier 1, tier 2, or universities and all, if you are aiming for product based companies, then you need to be very strong in DSA. And at least I am saying 200 plus lead code problems you need to practice. Sir, what is meant by lead code problems? Lead code problems means I am not saying like do 200 problems in just 2 pointer algorithm. Why? Because if you open 2 pointer algorithm, if you open lead code based on 2 pointer algorithm, there are like 250 plus problems were there. Don't do 200 problems of only 2 pointer algorithm. It doesn't matter. So if you want to step into any product based companies, you have to do a 200 plus problems and nearly 200 problems. At least you need to complete 40 to 50 different patterns and algorithms. So you need to learn 40 to 50 techniques. Then only for each technique, if you practice 4 to 5 problems, then you are in a good zone to do the problem solving. Am I right or not? Tell me in the chat. Yeah, Kunal, take our support number 844 if you have any confusion, we will definitely guide you. This is our support number, and our team is always happy to help you, the students who are having confusion across their career. So please note down those number and call us. Yeah, Karthik Sharma, I will tell you about the projects also, don't worry. So this is how you need to practice the DSA. Next, 1 to 2 good projects you need to do. One is, for example, academic project you did. The second one is definitely you need to do your own project that was published in either GitHub, or if you have any hosting websites, you can do that. and you need to know about end to end about the project. I will talk in upcoming slides in detail about the project. As of now, just know about it. You have to have at least 1 to 2 projects. Next, when coming to the clean resume, so whenever you are creating resume, remember guys, for the product based companies, ATS score must be above 90%. You have to create your resume ATS friendly with 90% above. And also, don't copy paste from anywhere. Always type your resume completely so that you will have a high score in ATS check. Next, when coming to the problem solving and low level design knowledge, it is very crucial things you need to have for the product based company. Why I said 200 problems with 40 to 50 lead code techniques is nothing but this 40 to 50 lead code techniques will give you problem solving. And also you need to study low level designing subject, and it will you have to get the knowledge about it. Whoever having low level design knowledge, guys, trust me, in product based companies you have a added advantage. So please learn. If you are applying for only service based company, you can skip this low level design. But if you are preparing for only your target is product based companies for the next 2 months, then low level design must be your one of the subject or weapon in your hand. And next, when coming to the service based companies, what I would like to suggest is aptitude reasoning is must, and basic programming up to object oriented is must, and communication skills is must, and HR and situational judgment, which is nothing but behavioral skills, is also very important. So when coming to HR and behavioral, hardly there will be a 50 questions if you practice them. Practice, I'm saying, okay, don't by heart or don't write any script. Just think about it, how to answer them in a polite manner. And if you practice once, you are good to go. When coming to the communication skills is nothing but, guys, again I'm telling you, communication skills is about the way of communicating with the people and how good you are in the listening and how you good delivering your thoughts to the other person is the matter. It is not about English language. You can do little bit of grammatical mistakes and phrases and everything, it's fine, but the way of expressing the thoughts and communicating with the people need to be polite, and it's very humble in a way so that people can impress with your words. That is called communication skills. Okay. Next, when coming to the basic programming, guys, in order to learn simple programming language, hardly it will take 1 week, guys, to be honest. So this is 2 months is very crucial, right? So you need to spend at least 4 to 6 hours per day. Sir, is it that much easy to spend 4 to 6 hours? Guys, again, I'm telling you this. If you see the persons who are preparing outside, who are out of the college, those who are preparing for example, civil services and groups, they will prepare for 18, 20 hours. And the people who are preparing for banking sector examinations, they will prepare for 14 hours to 12 hours and 16 hours. I am seeing a lot of students who are preparing for this much time. So for your placements, for your life change, and for your goal, can't you spend 6 hours per day? You will waste a lot of time in 24 hours. Just take 1/4 of the time and spend it on your progress. This, don't take the decision in 2026 January 1st, okay? Take the decision now. If you take the decision now, think in January 1st, 2026, you will become a new person. How inspiring it was. Start your 2026 as a changed person. Don't take it like I will change in 2026. It's a foolish decision. New Year will never change you. Change yourself now. In 2026, you will become a new person. So 2026 won't make you new person. Old year will make you new person in the next year. So that's what I would like to tell you one thing. start your day one today, not one day. Okay, so here you can see you need to learn about fundamentals first. Fundamentals means programming language, either C++, Java, Python. I suggest C++, Java, Python. If you are from non-IT background, if you are from non-IT, I suggest Python. If you are from IT background, I suggest Python or Java. If you have a good hands-on experience, sorry, with programming languages, go with Java. Next, you need to practice aptitude and data structures and algorithms for the next 2 months. And coding and projects you need to implement, and you need to do mock test and interviews. Guys, this complete December, you need to focus on these three things and give January as your mock test, interview preparation, and company specific preparation. So only 1 month we need to spend on learning, and rest of the time we will spend on 1 month on practicing and giving the mock test. Why mock tests are that much important is nothing but it will tell you what is the time management, which topic you are lagging, which topic you feel confident, and which topic you will consume your more time, which topic to attempt, which topic to skip. All these you will get experience by practice only. So mock tests are very very important. Let's divide into in detail cases. So first I said be focused in fundamentals, right? Fundamentals is nothing but you need to be start your practicing in coding platforms like lead code and hacker rank. And if you want to, guys, what I'm saying is lead code and hacker rank are practice platforms. But if you want to learn, I suggest to go to our preparedness.com, go to all platforms, sorry, go to programming and go to the top 100 codes. Here you can learn. In HackerRank and Lead Code is to test your skills, like practice mocks. But here your learning stage. So that's why I'll also include Prepinsta in it. So in Prepinsta also you can practice all basic questions. We have top 100 questions which are asking for exclusively for placements. And also if you want to learn any programming language like C++, Java, Python, or if you want to learn data structures in any programming languages like C++, Java, Python, you can start learning from here from our Prepinsta Prime. Okay. Next, learn a programming language. That's what I said, right? Learn a programming language and practice in coding platform. And please take help of top 100 codes. It is one of the best thing for you. Next, revise core CS subjects. What is a core CS subjects is nothing but if you are from CSIT background, then I suggest you guys please go through CS subjects like SDLC, operating system, DBMS, computer networking, and SQL and SDLC. Okay, and if you learn low level design also, it's an add-on. But if you are from non-IT students, still you need to have a good knowledge in DBMS, computer networking, and SQL. CSIT students, these five subjects are very important. For non-IT students, at least three subjects you need to have a good knowledge. If you don't prepare DBMS, also fine. At least learn SQL and computer networking. So mostly database management system is the backend, and to get the data from the database, you will use the programming language that is SQL. Okay, so they are correlate to each other. You can learn them easily as a single shot. So learn computer networking as well. It will be good for you. And next, solve 10 aptitude questions daily. So not only coding, along with that, practice aptitude topics. Okay. Next, when coming to the aptitude and DSC. So once you practice the basic programming language, and there you are slightly practicing the aptitude, right? Now take the aptitude seriously in the mid of the December month. And in aptitude, guys, again I'm telling you, it is categorized into quant and logical, right? So in quant, hardly we have 22 topics to 24 topics. You don't have to master everything. In this 22 to 24, please become the master in 14 or 15 topics. It's more than enough. And in the reasoning, there are 15 to 17 topics. In this, if you master 10 topics only, it's more than enough. You can able to clear any placement paper. Okay. So next, when coming to the DSA, after learning the basic programming language up to object oriented programming language, you need to step into data structures algorithms. In data structures and algorithms, you need to learn about stacks, queues, basic bubble sort, sorting algorithms, and searching algorithms commonly. So, data structures and algorithms. Algorithms also you need to learn theoretical knowledge. You don't have to do in depth practice, just learn the theoretical part. Once you completed that, start practicing the problems on arrays and strings, two pointers, sliding window, hash map, basic regression. And if you practice this DSA topics, guys, you can get up to 3 LPA to 6 LPA packages you are avail, which is nothing but if you prepare up to this DSA topics, you can learn or you can earn a placement from 3 LPA package to 6 LPA package easily without any doubt. If you want to go beyond 6 LPA and if you want to achieve 2 digit package, then you need to learn advanced DSA. Advanced DSA means like dynamic programming, greedy algorithms, and some special patterns and graphs, trees, tries, BFS, DFS. These type of advanced concept you need to learn in DSA. So this is for higher packages, which are you want to get more than 8 LPA packages. Definitely, you need to learn advanced DSA as well. Without advanced DSA, you can't go for the higher packages. So this is the roadmap I am giving you for guaranteed placement from 3 to 6 LPA. And if you want to go beyond the 8 LPA, I suggest please invest extra time and learn extra advanced DSA concepts as well. Once you completed this, okay. So surprise, surprise, guys. So we have a Black Friday sale is going on. So it is the one of the huge discounted offer we got, right? So Black Friday sale is 50% we are providing. So 3 months, if you use the coupon code KTK Max, you will get for triple nine thousand rupees. And if you use KTK Max coupon, it is 1499 for 6 months. 12 months it is 1999, 24 months 2499, and 36 months is 3000 rupees, and 48 months is 3500 rupees. Oh, we are getting 50% off, guys, by using our coupon code. Let's check. So 24 months I have selected 5000 rupees and I have used KTK Max coupon and I have clicked on OK. So see, for the 2500 only I am getting for 2 years. So which is nothing but for 1 year nearly 100 rupees I need to spend for our Prepinsta Prime. So what we consisting in Prepinsta Prime? So I already told you in Prepinsta Prime we have everything like 200 plus courses with a single subscription. Like trending courses means the most visited courses recently by the students, and popular skills like Gen AI, data science, data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, everything we have, and full stack courses like HTML, CSS, MERN stack you can learn, and programming languages, data structures and algorithms, and aptitude sections, and also company specific preparation, product based companies preparation, and interview experiences, and projects, and computer science subjects and pseudocode, automata fix for Tech Mahindra, resume preparation and guesstimates for JS, like group discussions. So everything you will get for only this much low prices. So please grab the opportunity, never lose this. Okay. And what is the cutoff? Solving at least 2 by third is cutoff. Yeah, recently it is changed to 4 by 5 also. It is got little bit increased, 80% at least you need to clear to get into the safe zone in the filtering. Okay. So use the Black Friday sale, guys. Use the coupon code KTK Max. Let's dive into the next coding part. So in the coding part, at least you need to solve 20 DSA, not problems, guys. Okay. So here 20 DSA patterns you need to solve. 20 patterns is nothing but if you practice these 20 patterns, mostly per pattern, if you practice like 2 to 3 problems, you can able to complete up to 60 to 80 problems for sure. So this will give you the problem solving ability. So during December, keep a target. By the January 1st, 2026, in my lead code, I need to cross 150 problems. This is my target. Okay. So what I will do is I will suggest you guys go through our prepinstar.com and go to prepare section and go to programming and go to top 150 not out questions. So you can save this page and you can practice this 150 problems and with a proper explanation. For example, I want to learn about sliding window concept and there is a problem called best time to sell and buy a stock in lead code. So we have explained everything from the basic to advanced level, like brute force method, 2 point algorithm, dynamic programming method, which is the best, time complexity, space complexity, everything we have explained here. See, for example, if you use the brute force method, it is O of n square and space complexity is O of n. It won't, it's not a good approach to do the problem. And 2 point algorithm, I have used O of n and space complexity is O of 1. And I have used dynamic programming here O of n and O of 1. So whatever the best thing you will do, you can adopt to that, right? So target yourself within the 1 month. I have to complete this 150 problems. And if you I don't know about this 150 problems knowledge, come here and start practicing in any one programming language, and correspondingly in the data structures you can choose that programming language and start learning. This is the learning platform and this is a practice platform. Everything you will get for a single subscription. Okay. Next, build a strong project based on either web or app or machine learning side or automation side. Here your upskilling courses will help. By using upskilling courses, build your project. So guys, again I'm telling you, so whenever you are doing the projects, always do, yeah, so whenever you are doing the projects, always do with the advanced technologies. Why? Because in the interview they will see whether you are adopting to the trending technologies or not. Don't copy paste old projects from the GitHub or any repositories. You will copy paste, right? They won't make you select in the interviews. They will see your projects as whether this person is in the trending, is along with the trending technologies or not. They will see. Okay, this is how you will go with. And also, once you have done your project, please host it on GitHub. Guys, I would like to ask you the question: how many of you know about GitHub? Or can we need to do a video on how to learn GitHub in 30 minutes? So I want to listen from all of you. How many of you know, or how many of you using the GitHub presently to push your code and to maintain your workflow? So no one. I'm looking into the chat. Please, everyone. So how many want GitHub video? Comment. If you don't need, it's okay. Next, work on your communication and explanation skills, guys. Okay, you need to justify your code and you have to explain your code properly. Next, take the mock test. So this entire month you need to focus on all these things only. So you need to take 5 full mock test and 10 practice coding timed challenges and HR and behavioral questions preparation and resume polishing and prepare for online proctor test. Okay, you can use AI tools also to make your resume polished to get higher ATS friendly score. Okay, and when coming to the aptitude strategy, guys, I would like to say don't skip quant basics and also practice 15 to 20 questions per day. If you want to practice 15 to 20 questions maximum per day, you need to spend half an hour on the aptitude, and the remaining 4 hours to 5.5 hours you need to spend on coding section side. Okay, so this half an hour or 1 hour session, for example, if you spend 1 hour, spend remaining 4 hours on coding. If you are spending only 30 minutes, you can spend remaining 4.5, or if you give 6 hours of time for your daily preparation, you can spend remaining time on the coding, whatever you feel like. It's totally depends on your strategy. So either plan for 5 hours strategy or 6 hours strategy. Okay. And improve the speed and accuracy. It is very important. Why? Because if you attempt 2 to 3 questions more than the other person, you will be definitely in the selection zone. So that's why I always suggest to students, please practice and maintain accuracy and speed. If you have a 90% speed and 90% accuracy, then you have a high chances to get selected for the placements in aptitude round. And a topic wise test on the weekends. How to get a topic wise test? You can refer to our Prepinsta Prime. There you can find topic wise 30 quizzes also, 30 questions quiz also. And if you go to the prepinsta.com also, you can see topic wise test. You can take those advantage and you can start practicing. Prepare only exam relevant chapters. So once the in December you have completed your preparation and all, in Jan only you will do the preparation on relevant chapters only. You don't practice everything again. And when coming to the coding, guys, this is the one of the important thing I would like to say. Pick only one programming language, solve up to easy to medium level questions, and learn the patterns. It's very important. Two-point algorithms, sliding window, greedy algorithms, and dynamic programming. These type of techniques you need to learn. And if you want to learn in detail about it, again I'm telling you, now 150 not out questions, stacks, queues, hashing, two-pointer, sliding window, trees, and bit manipulation. So all these things you can learn here, guys. And also make the notes with the help of the online tools or offline tools. Like if you are habituated to the notes taking on the notebook, you can go with, or else if you are adapt to the online, you can have a documentation in Notion or Google Notebook LM. So you can use any online documentation, or Google Sheets also you can use, or Google Docs also you can use, whatever you feel like online documentation purpose. And practice under the time pressure, which is nothing but always put a timer for a particular question. Practice it. Once you learn, for example, two-pointer algorithm or sliding window, once you learn, If you learn, practice one or two problems. Next, whenever based on these, take a random problem from 150 on 2 pointer algorithm and open that. Put the timer and start doing it on your own. Don't look at the solution. Or on the lead code also you can do that. And when coming to the interview strategy, when coming to the interview, what mostly the technical interviews will be expecting from a student, I am telling you that, that is the approach, explanation, not just answer. They don't want straight answer. They don't want textbook based answers. They want how a person is approaching towards the problem is the matter. Why? Because if you by heart something and you are explaining straight away on the face, it doesn't make you interviewer feel like he is good in problem solving. So actual thing is you need to approach towards the problem in a way that you can newly seeing that and approaching it. Don't say like just answer abbreviation and don't sit like strict. Okay. And show clarity of the thought, which is nothing but whatever you are thinking and whatever you are trying to explain to him, share your thoughts in a clear manner. Next, know your project end to end. So a lot of people do a mistakes that in projects, one or two people or three, four people will build together, right? For example, two people have built a full stack project. So one person will take care of the front end, one person will taking care of the back end. For example, you are the person who handle the front end, and the person in the interview they asked for the back end question. Don't say like haven't handled the back end. My partner is handle the back end, so I don't know about everything. Everything. So if you say like that, it won't be the good answer for the interviewer, and you may get rejected. So always remember, even though you are working on the front end, have a ample amount of knowledge in the back end. Just know what happening in the back end. You don't have to code or you don't have to learn every syntax and all. Just you need to know what is the process is going on in the back end. If you do that, it's more than enough. And next, when coming to the HR, what HR interviewers will take care more is nothing but they don't see whatever you are talking or how you are explaining and all. They will see how confidently you are delivering the content and how you are communicating with them, how you are how you are a good listener, how confidently you are talking, and how politely you are talking, which is nothing but with a positive attitude, and how much you are honest, which is nothing but you don't have to write a script for this. To be honest, I am saying, if you're having a HR rounds, don't write a script. Genuinely whatever the thoughts you are getting into your brain, politely say in front of the person. It's more than enough. And also tools I would like to share with you guys to practice is lead code hacker rank is enough. And next, for the learning prepinsta, and for the interview experiences GFG, and for the interview experience interview bit, and Notion and Google Sheets for the tracking of your documentation, and Zoom and Meet calls for the mock interviews, I'll, and GitHub for your project hosting. So this is all I would like to share the tools with you for the preparation, Prepinsta for the documentation, Notion, Google Meet or Zoom for the mock interviews, GitHub for the hosting, Lead Code Hacker Rank for the practice. These are the important platforms you need to take care. That's it, guys, for this today's session. I would like to share all the information what you want to do in the next 2 months. Again, I'm telling you, please start your preparation. Become the person who want to be by the end of this year, and 2026 January 1st you need to become a new person. Don't start from the January 1st. Become the new person by the January 1st. Okay. And also the Black Friday sale is going on. If you use the coupon code KTK Max, you will get a 50% discount on all prices. So 3 months 1000 rupees, 6 months 1499 rupees, 12 months 2000 rupees, 24 months 2500 rupees, 36 months 3000 rupees, and 48 months 3500 rupees. I hope We shared insightful thoughts with you. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me now. And last but not least, follow our social media handles. If you are from 2026, follow 2026 page. If you are from 2027 page, follow 2027 page. That's it, guys, from my end. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, you can push it on the comment section. I am here for you for next 1 or 2 minutes, and I will definitely help you with your comments, guys. Okay. I hope people don't have any doubts. I think. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope people don't have any doubts. So we are wrapping up for today's session. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. See you. Bye bye.